Hello, my third graders. I am so excited to be showing you guys this brand new website that I have found that I think will really help with helping you guys kind of enjoy math more. So the first thing you're going to do is grab your laptop and then click on your web browser. So we're going to go in and we're going to type in mathgames.com, hit enter. And then we come to this screen and the first thing we can see is practice math games, practice math by grade, practice math by skill, and worksheets. So we're not going to worry on the worksheets right now, and we're not going to worry on the practice by math skill. Right now what we're going to focus on is the practice by math grade and the practice math by games. So the first thing you're going to do is have fun, right? So of course you guys want to play games. So let me show you guys an example of a game. So Candy Stacker is one of my favorites. So you can click on any game you want except the ones with the stars because those ones mean that you have to upgrade. So we're going to go into Candy Stackers, and then if you don't know how to play a game, you can click on how to play. You can click by the skill that you want to do. But that's kind of a little confusing. So the easiest way is to just click play and then by grade, which would be third. You can go to fourth if you want to, but don't go any higher and lower than fourth, okay? So we're going to click third and we're going to do estimation because that is one of the things that we're learning in class right now, right? So it says round 812 to the nearest 100. So I know that that's 100. This would be 400, this would be 820, this would be 820, and then 935 would be, just kidding, and then I got it wrong. So if you get it wrong, your whole tower falls and the game is over. So you guys got the point on that one. And then the next thing we're going to look at is the practice math by grade. So we're going to go into third grade because that's what grade you guys are in. And we're going to pick any of these options. So you guys can see all of these options. And we're eventually going to learn most of these in our class. So right now, which goes with also what we're learning, we're going to do the division with the divisor up to 10. So this gives us a nice problem. It says Tyler purchased a box of donuts. He divided those donuts amongst 3 friends evenly. How many donuts does each friend get? So 3 divided by 9, or 9 divided by 3. What do we get? Well, we know multiplication, so 3 times 3 is 9, so our answer is 3. And then I'll give you another one. It says Owen purchased a box of donuts. He divides those donuts amongst 3 friends evenly. How many donuts does each friend get? And 3 times 2 is 6, so we know that each friend gets 6. Now, if I fill up all 10 of these questions and they're all green, that means I got all 10 right. If one pops up yellow, so let's say I read this one, it says a sloth has 58 babies. Over 2 years, how many babies per year does a sloth have? And I say he has 10, the sloth has 10 per year. I got that wrong, and a yellow exclamation mark will show up saying I got it wrong. When I've completed all of these questions, you'll get a score of 1 through 5, and then if you get a good score, you can move up levels. So that it'll get harder, okay? And so it'll show me at the top how many stars that you've earned. So you'll start getting homework, and I'll say, okay, I want to see that you've earned 10 more stars from the last time that you showed me your web page, okay? So I would come in here and I say, oh, okay, you earned 10 more stars, you got your points, and that was your homework for the night. So it'll really help you guys be a little more interested, and I hope it's a little more fun than me just assigning you silly old worksheets. So thank you guys so much for watching this little video. If you have any questions, of course, ask me in class, and I hope that you guys have as much fun with this website as I am. So, bye guys. See you later.